pick your brain this morning. I know it's early, but I want you to dig deep down into your think tanks, okay? So who in here can explain to me the rotation and revolution of the earth around the sun? Who can tell me what you know about that?
It takes like 2 years or something for it to revolve around the sun.
Anybody else have any other ideas? Who can tell me what the word rotation means? Does anybody know what that means? Lexi. To move. Okay. Anybody else? Jalea?
To like go around.
To go around. Very good. Who can tell me what revolution is? Revolve. What the word revolve means? Anybody? Can you give it another try?
Spin.
Spin. Okay, so we're going to learn lots today. I kind of see where you're at. So who can explain to me, can anybody want to even give it a try, explain to me how our earth experiences day and night? Does anybody know? Riley?
Like our Earth spins around, and when it gets to the sun, our part to the sun, it's day, and when it's facing the moon, it's night.
Awesome job. Look at her go. She's on fire this morning. Okay, so since you seem to know a little bit about it, come here. I need your help, okay? I need your help. I'm making y'all think way too early this morning, huh? Okay, so we're going to pretend that you're the sun. Come stand right here, okay? This is the sun. Can you hold this sun right here? Okay. Now, I need an earth. Who wants to help me be an earth this morning? Justice, you want to come help me be an earth? I see a globe in here this morning. Can somebody grab me that globe back here real quick? We're going to let you be earth, okay? All right. Can you demonstrate to me and show me what you know on how the earth gets day and night, okay? Can I draw something on your nose? Can I draw a little dot on your nose?
Sure.
Let me draw a little dot on your nose, okay. I should have made it red, and then we could have said he was Rudolph. Okay, so we're going to pretend that that dot on your nose is where we live on the globe. We're going to pretend that that's our city, okay? So I want you to look at the sun. If your city is pointing towards the sun, what time of the day do you think that is?
Daytime?
Why?
Because the sun is rised up.
Because you are facing
The sun.
the sun. Now, I want you to face Lydia over there. Now, if that city is the tip of your nose is the city, and you are pointing that way, what time of the day do you think it is? Anybody else want to give it a try? Nighttime. Now you have to tell me why. Because it's in the shadow. It's away from the sun. So therefore, if you're away from the sun, are you gonna have light? No. So it's nighttime. Okay, so we're gonna play a quick little game. Y'all kind of getting the idea of it now? Okay. I want you to close your eyes, Justice, and spin. We're going to count down from 5 to 0. And when we say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, stop, then you're going to stop. Okay? I just want you to turn right where you are. Okay? All right. Close your eyes. Don't get crazy on this, okay? Go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, look where you are. What time of the day do you think it would be if this was a city that you live in? And where it is? It would still have a little bit of light, but when you're turning counterclockwise, are you going away from the sun or are you coming to the sun?
I'm going away.
Oh, so what does that mean? If the sun's starting to go away, what time of the day is that?
Nighttime.
Not quite night. Somebody else tell me.
Noon.
Afternoon. Afternoon. Look at y'all. Y'all are doing awesome. Let's give our helpers a hand. like, don't you? Okay. So y'all done an awesome job demonstrating to me how the earth experiences day and night. Now, I want us to think about another rotation the earth does. There's something else that happens that the earth does. It spins where it is, and it gives us what? What we just learned about. Say it. Day and night. Very good. Can't be shy. So it gives us day and night, but the earth also does something else. Can anybody tell me what else it does? I know y'all been learning kind of about this a little bit. The planets do this. Somebody tell me, Jalea. Yes! Everybody give Jalea a hand. Whoop, whoop. She got it. She said it orbits around the sun. Very good. All right, I want us to think about the word rotation and revolution. Those are some big words, right? Somebody said that rotation was when you spin, which is right. And what did y'all say the word revolve means? Does anybody think they know what the word revolve means? It's kind of the same thing. Spin, kind of spin, but not exactly. Somebody else. Turn. Yeah, it is turning. You're making a big circle. But what I want to know is there a difference? Can the earth rotate and revolve at the same time? That's a tricky question. No? You don't think so? Huh? Somebody say different? Who says different? Lexi. You think they can do both? All right. Very good. Well, we will see. So now I want us to do a little bit of exploring. Do y'all like to explore a little bit? Do some fun things? Okay, so now we're going to do a little bit to see if we can demonstrate how the earth, because we said the earth spins. We know the earth spins because we get day and night, but the earth also does another movement. While it's spinning, somebody said it over here, the earth is going around the sun at the same time, right? So, if I can spin like this, can I spin in one spot? Can I just sit here and spin in this spot, or do I have to move all over the room?
No, you have to move in one spot.
Yeah, I can stay right here and spin all day unless I want to get really sick. Now, if I wanted to circle around this box, can I circle around this box without spinning in a circle? Now, can I do both?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So you mean I can rotate and revolve at the same time?
Yes.
Wow, how cool is that? Except the earth would be a little bit like this. How many knows the earth is not up and down? Does anybody know how far it's tilted? How many degrees? Anybody know? Bonus?
90?
Somebody tell me. You in the back, you've had your hand raised a whole lot. Don't know. Does anybody know? You. Nope. Somebody else? Somebody else? You? Want to give another try? No. Anybody? Anybody? 40? Closer than 90.
Oh, 30?
Closer, but that's not it. Somebody else back here. Nope. Does anybody know, or y'all just throwing me random numbers?
35.
No.
I know.
You know?
160?
No.
80?
23.5 degrees. 23.5 degrees. It's at a 23.5 degree angle, okay? So 50 would be all the way on its side. 75 would be another quarter. And obviously it would start back over. Okay. So now we're going to do a little bit of exploring. Okay? And someone said the word earlier that I like. Somebody said orbit. I think it was you, Jalea. What's an orbit? But what is it? What's it for? What's its purpose? You're frozen. You've been answering all of my questions. Somebody else. Think about it. This is Where's the sun at in the universe? Does anybody know?
The middle of the universe.
The center. Yeah. So if the sun is the center, and all the what orbits the sun? Planets orbit the sun. What's an orbit? What are these things?
Planet. Rings.
Yeah, they're rings. Just say that's a planet. What is an orbit? Lexi. It's like a road. It's like a path the planet takes around the sun. It's its orbit. All right, so kind of know what that is now. All right, so this is gonna be your orbit. This is gonna be the path that Earth takes. Now, I'm not gonna partner you up, just who you sit by, so we don't have to move around. It's gonna be your partner, okay? So this is the orbit. Okay, you better wake up. All right, so this is gonna be the orbit. Please don't bend them, break them. Some of y'all's wishing I had a pie in these, huh? Or cheesecake. Pumpkin pie. All right, do you want a pie? Do you want to come sit by here, buddy? No? Okay. All right, let's see. Here, you can do it by yourself. You want to do it? You can do it. I got enough. All right. So what did I say this was? The orbit. Now, you're going to do the work, not me. You're going to do that. What's this?
Play-Doh.
What color?
Orange.
What do you think it's going to be?
Sun.
Woo! Y'all are doing good. Okay, so now what we're going to do is somebody's going to make a sun. Here you go. Where's the sun at in the universe? Center. Okay? We're going to have a sun in the center. Now the other person's job is going to be to take notes on what you are finding out. Class?
Yes.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Please don't smear this in your sweaters. I don't want any mom mad. It's my first day teaching.
I made my best when I could.
So, wait, can you buy like a whole packet of it? Like, is this orange?
She says she's making it, not you.
Shoot, we already had the sun.
There's only one sun, so we only need one person making the sun. Who am I missing? You two? All right.
She said she's making it.
Is the sun little bitty or is the sun kind of big? Yeah? Is the sun bigger than the earth?
Yes.
Or is the earth bigger than the sun?
The sun is bigger than the earth.
Woo! Somebody's on fire. All right. Listen. This is going to be your earth, okay? When you get your sun, you may want to smush it a little bit in the middle. That way you can move your pan around and your sun won't go wobbling off, okay? So kind of smush it down. Now this is what I want you to know, okay? Let me use you for an example, okay? So what did I say the pie pan was? Yeah, okay, this is kind of the area of where the earth is rotating around the sun. What is the Play-Doh?
The sun.
The sun.
The sun. And so what did I say the marble was going to be? Okay, so if I do this, I want you to take notes. Is the marble staying the same? Is it rolling? What's happening to the earth? Is it getting off track? Is it on track? I want you to see what all that you can come up with, okay? See what you can come up with, and we'll see who can come up with some pretty cool facts, okay? Oh, look at y'all getting all fancy with your son. Don't spend too much time on it, though. Let's move on. Look how cute, girls. Good job.
Play-Doh, rubber band.
You may begin as soon as you get ready. I know, I'm having one. I think this is actually a jack set, but I couldn't find enough of these. It is? There it is. Alright, can everybody get their side? Good job, girls. What are you finding out? Earth is going around the sun. Is that what really happens? Yes? You can push it. You don't want it to slide anywhere. That kind of looks like a sun inside the pump handle. You didn't even know that. See that sound? See what your mind does? You think we'd be dizzy if Liz moving that fast? Very good.
Look at me go. Teacher, look. Look at me go.
That's right. Where's your notes? You're not making any notes. You're not going to be able to tell me anything you've learned from this.
I'm getting all stuff in my head.
Stuck in your head. But I need you to write it.
I'm not a person that can write stuff.
Girl, can you do my busy.
I don't. You really don't.
Was that extra? All right. Okay. Freeze. Thank you. Now, does someone want to voluntarily raise their hand and give me some super cool information that they learned from this little activity? You look like you're about to bust. You go ahead.
Well, we wrote down that the earth is
Listen.
we wrote down that the earth is staying on its track, and that the earth is orbiting the sun, and that the earth is bigger than the sun.
Awesome. High five. Now, somebody tell me this. When the earth makes a complete circle around the sun, who can tell me what that is? Riley? No. When the earth has completely made a circle all the way around the sun, and remember the sun is so big, so it's not something that can just happen in an hour. It takes a long time. What is it? Justice.
It will be daylight, like it's up. What?
No. It takes a long time.
It's gonna be a cycle?
A cycle. So what is that? We celebrate it.
A cycle is where it goes around and around.
It does, but how long is that? Is it a day? Is it a month? What is it? You.
A year.
Woo! She got it. Say it the page that you took the notes on, I want you and your partner to get together, and I want you to kind of draw me what you know, what you've learned, okay? I want you to draw what we've learned. So what have we learned today? So we know that the earth orbits the sun, and the earth spins on its what? Can somebody tell me that? What does it spin on? Chloe. It's tilted, yes, but it has these imaginary lines that run you. Julia. It starts with an A. Axis. Good job. It spins on its axis. And so when it makes a full rotation, it's been how long? It's been 1 day. When we get our day and night. Remember, when it's toward the sun, it's day. When it goes away, it's night. Then when it makes a full revolution around the sun, she said it earlier, how long has it been? A year. Good job. I'm going to come around and look at what you're drawing and make sure you're getting it, okay?